Welcome to Hidden Honda Hacks, a video series that showcases the unknown features in nearly every new Honda vehicle.
Hey honey, I'm going to the store to get things for the baby. You need anything?
I need diapers. Changed them last night in the car.
Wait, you did throw away the dirty diapers, right? No!
Hidden Honda Hack! With Honda's automatic roll-down feature, you can open your windows to air out your vehicle without even turning it on. Take your key fob and simply press the unlock button. Then press it again. On the third time, hold the unlock button. The entire time you hold the unlock button, your car will automatically crack your windows and even open your sunroof. Even the messiest of accidents can be solved with a little Honda hack. Honda's automatic roll-down feature is available in all new Honda models. Stop by Superior Honda today for a test drive.